Hello everyone, welcome to MkaPHP learning series. In this first lesson, we are going to learn how to set up MkaPHP. So let's get begin. First, you need to open the mail as we sent you before. I open it. In the mail, there are several informations available. The username, the organization, and the serial number. And of course, the setup file. And of course, the setup file download link, and of course, the setup file download link and the Formulator program download link, which this program is used for MkaPHP's reports. And of course, you can download TeamViewer for Connect to MK. Let's click and download these files. The downloads are finished. And this is the downloaded files. First, you need to unzip this file. I right click it and use unzipped. Then enter this folder. This is the main setup file. Right click it and run as an administrator. The setup window welcomes us. I click next. I want to create a desktop icon and I click install. Now the program is installing. This may take several minutes. After the main program installation, the program wants to install Microsoft Visual C++ files. You can accept the license and you can say the install. The installation is failed because I have already installed this. If you don't have these files, the program automatically installs these files to your computer. I close it and I say finished. Now we can ready to set up the Formulator. Right click it and run as an administrator. I click next. I accept the agreement and I click next and again next. I don't need a start menu folder. I click next and I push the install button. Now I click finished. Our program has installed. Let's right click to MkaPHP and open properties. To run the program properly, you need to make it. To run the program properly, you need to run MkaPHP as an administrator. To do this, come to Compatibility tab and be sure that Run this program as an administrator box clicked. I click OK. Then you can double click the icon. Now program opens in demo mode. We need to register it. I click the register button. Then you need to fill these blanks. As we sent you before in the mail, I'm going to open the mail and I just copy the username. Then come to the program and paste it. Then I copy the organization. Then come to the program and paste it. And of course, I copy the serial number. Then program will automatically paste it. After that, press register button. Now program is registered. In the first run, program may find some updates. It's important to make these updates. I click yes. And I click update button. Please be patient that program download the necessary files. The update speed is dependent on your internet speed. And the update is complete. Then press OK. Now we can close this window. Now double click the program icon again. Now we are ready to use MkaPHP. If you want to install the program in another machine, first you need to deactivate on this machine. To do this, you need to click this icon, the license icon. Then you need to push deactivate button. Then program will automatically deactivate on this computer. After that, you can able to install another computer with the same license. See you next lesson.